Hey, everyone. Again, it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manique School. And today, as you guys can see, we will be jumping on chapter 3. Where we'll be basically playing around with math module, right? We'll be playing around with math methods, okay? And if you're watching this for the first time, this is our textbook right here. This is the cover page. Hopefully you all got that, so I'll jump on straight to the problem on hand, okay? So without any further ado, let's jump on to it. Okay, we've got to write a program that generates and prints 50 random integers, each between 6 and 3. Okay, I hope everyone got that part. Okay, without any further ado, let's jump on to it. Okay, import randint. Randint is basically a function for generating random integers. It's pretty self-explanatory if you ask me. Okay, in range, this is our range right here. Oh, how many of them are 150? So they should do it. Okay, so I'll simply go print. And then randint, and then right within I put 0, not 0. I'll put 3, starting from 3 up to 6 inclusively. Okay, let me save my thing. I've gotta save it, not under Java, under Python. There's something I want to check out first. Oops. Essentially, I'm trying to check out the name of this chapter here. Oh, it's called numbers. So what do I want to do? I want to create a new folder here called numbers, and right within that folder, this is where I'll save my exercises. Exercise 3 underscore 8 underscore 1a. Okay, this is where I want to save my file. Okay, without any further words, let's hit the run button and see what we get. Wow, these are our numbers, folks. As you can see, we've got 6, 4, 3, 3, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. And there are hundreds of these numbers, you guys. Okay, so stay tuned for the next solution on this particular exercise. In the meantime, I'm wrapping up, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.